I consider the Greek islands one of the most beautiful places in the world. I think Rhodes is one of the best examples of island life.
This is an island you would say God has given everything to it. It's very beautiful in terms of its beaches. It has mountains, it's very green, it has a lot of water. There are some areas you would really wonder, how is this possible that this is on an island like Rhodes? The island receives approximately 2 million plus tourists per year. And of course all of them have their demands and their needs that the island needs to provide and support. The local people, they understand the difficulty in providing sustainable and reliable power on the islands. Of course, they're very upset when they have blackouts because that hurts their business. If you're a tourist and you pay for your hotel room, you expect your hotel room to have air conditioning and power. Many of our islands are totally energy independent, so they have to be self-sufficient. The problem is that the demand is so high in summer and so low in the winter. Tourism, being the cornerstone of the economy, is something that everybody understands. But on an island like Rhodes, a 5% growth of energy per year means 10 to 15 megawatt per year more needs. That means that in 2 years, you already need a 20 megawatt installation. That's quite a big installation for a power plant on an island. EXPO Power Systems and General Electric have a collaboration working together in the Greek energy market for the last 15 years. The name of the unit is a mobile gas turbine unit. The GE TM2500 Plus has been considered to be the most efficient machine and the most reliable on the island. Has never failed to start, and it was always able to start and bring up the power up to the maximum whenever requested. So there was not one failure in any of its starts so far. Everything is compact, installed around the units. You can install and start up your unit much faster. Everything comes pre-measured and pre-fabricated. You just connect your plugs together and then you have your two units talking to each other. All of its systems have been in operation before it was shipped. Is that we all knew that pressing the button would work, and it really did. And it's normally being used to fly aircraft. In this case it is turning a generator. So when you need to provide a big amount of power at very short time or very short notice, an aeroderivative gas turbine can start much earlier, much faster, and bring power into the grid very efficiently. You would say that one would be very, very happy if he would have a 95% availability for a unit over the year. In 2011, over the summer, our unit was available 100% of the time. With the collaboration between EXPO Power Systems, the Public Power Corporation, and GE, we're very proud that we have been able to deliver what we signed up for and that we have been able to support the island of Rhodes with reliable power. Greece has been going through difficult times in the last years because of the financial crisis. Obviously, tourism is one industry in Greece that can be very supportive to the financial crisis because it generates income, especially to very remote areas such as the Greek islands. I think that it's very common in Greece that demand grows, and it's very common to see that investments need to be made because there's a lot that you need to provide. The island really make the difference of our country. It is certainly a challenge, but a very beautiful challenge.